Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll review the market once again, like every week, and cover the top setups that we are taking this week, and of course, analyze the market and see in which direction it is moving so that we can make money in the coming days. So, let's dive in. Let's talk about the market review. Now, again, before I begin and take you through the details, if you're someone who's new here or new to trading, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and make sure if you are a member of our community, please do join my public telegram group so that I can take you through the private membership if you haven't joined yet. So again, this is Bitcoin. We start with the market crash this week on Monday, and you can see here Bitcoin, like I said, looks quite weak because of these dynamic resistances. We have 50 ma, then we have 20 ma, the red and the blue lines, and you can see here this is now stopping Bitcoin to move up in value. And if you zoom out, you will see these particular lines acted as a good support, but now acting as a big resistances. Now, this is concerning because if it continues like that, we are making a kind of head and shoulder, a bearish head and shoulder that can actually take the token down. So take note of it. Of course, I'm not trading Bitcoin at the moment. It is kind of very unclear where it is moving, but given the fact if this kind of momentum stays on, we are looking Bitcoin to $60,000 if it goes bearish. Now, after that, we have a token called ZC or Zcash, which is kind of the token that I'm trading this week, like from morning, just after the daily weekly candle finish. You can see here I took a trade of 1:1 with a stop loss of 450 and a profit target of 300. I took it as soon as the weekend over, and just look at here the setup that I planned that has actually played out. It is now stuck in the bullish watch pattern, and I believe the next stop for this token should be around $300, and then we can see a move back up to maybe $1,000 for ZDC, but not before it goes down, and that is why I shorted it. And I've also shared this setup with my private community, which is right over here. This was the setup that I shared, the entries and exit. So if you're someone who's already my member of Platinum, please join my public Telegram group and I will take you through the private membership. Just DM me and I will make you join the private Telegram if you haven't done already. So this is about the trade that I'm taking. Apart from it, the another token that I'm targeting is Hype token, which is again hyper liquid. The weekly still is bearish with three major resistances, but overall it is quite choppy. If you look closely, it is very choppy. There is no direction. Of course, it looks like it is going down to $20, but it is not worth trading at the moment. So I will be watching it to short it if I find some good setup on the daily candles or they meet my criteria. So this is about Hyperliquid. I'm targeting $20 for it before again scaling down. And then we have Virtual, again one of my favorite AI token that always made me money, and this token is also bearish at the moment. You can see here it is making a kind of a pattern which will take it back to 70 cents before moving up, and if a breakout happens it is going to 1.5 to $2. So the clear path for this token is to go down to the level of 70 cent, then to the level of $1.5, but that will take time. The candle is very bearish. If you want to short it, you can short it to 70 cent, but again the candles are kind of stagnant and not very clear. Look at here on the daily, you'll get an idea that it has broken the support, the dynamic support of this 50 and 20 ma, and now it is all set to go down to the level of 70 cent. So that can be trade, that can be planned, but again, the ZDC trade is far better than this one, I can say. Apart from it, we have BNB chain, which also I'm trying to look out for the opportunities short because overall the pattern is bearish, but the candles are kind of bullish. So it's in the midway. There is no clear decision I can take, but I am waiting and watching for this token to see if there are any short opportunities, because the clear line for this token to trade is goes like this. Like I said, it's making a wavy pattern and stuck in here, and by default this should take it down to the level of $700. So that is the kind of trade that I'm planning to take, but if you look closely, it's candles are not kind of supporting because of this dynamic resistances. These are acting as a very strong support lines. So I'm waiting for it to break out below $900. Then I will plan to short it up. So that's the idea of the VNB chain. And of course, if you want to long a token or buy a token long term, I think Uniswap will give you a perfect entry. If you zoom out on Uniswap, just look at here. It is almost hitting all-time low at this level at around, you know, $4. Once it hit the level of 4.2 dollars, I'm going to buy it because this will be a good reward risk ratio. Just look at here. If we have a stop loss at around $3 and profit target $16, we are making a reward risk of at around 5:1. That is a good profit to target. So clearly, let it go down below $4 and then you can buy it. And then, if everything goes well, I think it can hit the highs of $10 to $15. That is quite possible, and that will make you money quite quickly in the long term when the bullish momentum returns. And apart from them, we have a very fantastic trade, and that is of ICP. You can see ICP making a kind of bullish wedge pattern very clearly and is going exactly as per plan. It is not slowing down even on the chart. You can see here it is kind of a bullish, right? So that means this token can go really high from here. And when that happens, you can see it scaling out and hitting a target of $12 to $14 quite quickly in the bullish momentum. So watch ICB because it looks quite bullish to me. So these are the setup that I'm targeting for the week. Market looks quite bearish, but of course money can be made. This week we will observe mostly, and if you want to long, we can go long on ICP and also on Uniswap once it falls down. So that's for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you are new here, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and make sure to join my public Telegram group. The link is shared below. And for those who joined my Platinum membership, please join the public Telegram group and DM me. And of course, I will give you an entry to the private group, which will be of much benefit. So, with that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.